It's nice to have you guys back today. Hopefully you guys ready, happy, and have a full tummy to start the lesson today, okay? Good evening, Uni and everyone. All right, guys. Without any further ado, let's do our lesson for the night. Allow me to share this. All right, this one. So this is the material that we are still continuing for today, okay? 1 second. All right, there you go. So tonight, we are still doing chapter 4 about an afternoon at the park, okay, guys? All right, let's do the role play, guys. Role play. For this conversation, I'm going to need couples of volunteers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 15. All right. Almost all of you guys, okay? Come on, let's do it, guys. We're learning this together, all right? All right, let's see. I'll have Uni doing Alex number 1 and 2. Okay, Alex dialect number 1 and 2 for Uni. And then I'll have Jane's number 1A, 1B, and number 2 for Nani. And then I'll have John number 1, 2, 3 for Brandon. And then John. All right, let's see. Alex number 3 and 4. Alex number 3 and 4 for Miss Fu Chunjung. And then Jane number 3 and 4. Jane's dialect number 3 and 4 for okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, Nalita, okay, for Nalita. Nalita's doing Jane's number 3 and 4. And then I'll have John's number 4, 5, 6. John's number 4, 5, 6 for Mr. Amin. And then Alex number 5 and 6 for Miss Fanny. And then John number 7, 8, 9 for Windy. Alex number 7, 8. All right, all right. Come on, anybody else? Alex number 7, 8, the second page already, guys. Actually, this is better if I assign all the dialects to you guys before we start. Otherwise, it'll gonna mess like last week, you know, guys. So I'm going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm gonna need more. Okay, Felta, I see Felta there, huh? Okay, great. Thank you for joining, Felta. Felta, you are doing Alex dialect number 7 and 8. Alex dialect will be numbered in blue, okay? Alex dialect will be numbered in blue. That's number 7 and 8 for Felta, okay? Felta. All right, guys, I need 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 more. All right, excellent. Linda, okay. Linda, you are doing Jane's number 5, 6, okay? Linda is doing Jane's dialect number 5 and 6. 5 more, guys. Anybody interested? Oh, there you go, Jennifer. All right, Jennifer is gonna do Jane's dialect numbers. Let me see, 7, 8. All right, 7, 8. Change 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Okay, Jen. So Jennifer is going to do Jane's dialect number 7, 8, and 9. Right? Now, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there you go. Misuchi, come back. All right, perfect. Okay, Misuchi, you are doing Alex number 9, 10. Okay. Alex number 9, 10 will be done by Misuchi Wati. Okay, so Nicole, excellent. Nicole, give me 1 sec, okay. Alex, and then Alex 9, 10. John, okay, I'm gonna need John. Okay, John is down there, okay. Hold on, give me 1 second, let me pull this out first. Jean already number 10. All right, let's see. I need Jane's dialect number 10, 10, 11, and 10, 11, 12, 13, okay? Nicole. Nicole, you are doing Jane's dialect number 10, 11, 12, 13. Short, okay? So I'm just gonna combine it, okay? So, 1 second. I need one more, please. For Alex, number 11 and 12. Alex, number 11 and 12, the last one, anybody? Otherwise, I'm gonna go up and then assign double dialect to. All right, I'm gonna give it to Brandon instead. Okay, Brandon, you are doing Alex number
John
11 and 12, and
yeah.
also, right, John number 1, 2, 3, okay?
Okay, miss.
All right, excellent. Allow me to unmute you guys, okay? Please no background so you guys can listen to each other and learning from each other pronunciation and also intonation, guys.
Good evening, Miss Susan.
Good evening, Mr. Amin. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, Miss Susan.
Okay, great to hear that.
Good evening.
Good evening, Miss Fuchu. Actually, how do you want me to call you, Miss Fuchun Jung? I cannot, Miss Jung. Jun Jung. How do you want me to add? Okay.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Jane.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Miss Suchi. Long time no see, huh?
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening. Who's talking?
Futunjung. Futunjung talk.
Oh, there you go. Okay. So Miss Fuchunjung, how are we gonna call your name? Miss Jung?
Miss Fu, okay.
Miss Fu? Okay, sure.
Yes.
All right. So not that long, huh?
Yes.
All right, Miss Fu. Okay, I believe I already. Okay, everybody already unmuted. Let me recheck. Perfect. Perfect, guys. All right. Let's start whenever you're ready. Okay, focus on the intonation, guys. Okay, let me pull this up. Let's do this as if you are facing each other and then like, let's do this like it's a real situation, okay? Not just reading, okay? All right, guys, let's do it.
Okay, Miss.
Hey, John, there is a musical concert in the park. You want to see? You want to see the band play?
I can go.
Oh.
Me too. Let's go.
Hey, look at that sport car. Isn't it?
That is exactly the kind of car that I want once I get a good job. I bet it is very fast. I want mine to be red too.
Bukan soal Inggris. Ini, Alex. Iya, Alfred. Lu kan nggak ngerti ya apanya artinya. The car costs a fortune. Tahu nggak artinya apa? Enggak kan? Iya, enggak tahu kan? Lupa apa tahu? Itu kenapa? Itu ngomong sekarang.
Who's doing James?
Lu kalau cari di Google, ngertiin jangan main asal sok. Pokoknya lu juga nggak bakal ngerti. Setelah ditanya atreosklerosis itu apa, lu nggak ngerti kan? Lu tulis yang lu ngerti. Atau
Guys, who's doing James number 2?
apa ini atreosklerosis?
Nani, huh?
Lu nggak tahu kan?
Nani here?
I'm dreaming. Alex, the car costs a fortune.
Jangan sok lu kalau misalkan ini cari jawaban
Does not hurt
yang
to
udah
set
ini.
high
Kalau
expectation.
tanya nggak tahu.
Maybe one day I will make a lot of money and I may surprise you.
John. John, hold on.
Referensi apa?
John 1, 2, 3, huh? Still Brandon, huh?
Apa hipertensi?
Miss, okay.
Okay, sorry.
Talking about cars, why is the traffic so heavy today?
Gua kalau
People are probably heading toward the park for the concert. The band does play pretty good music. Heading
Hold on,
toward.
guys,
People are
just
probably
excuse me,
heading
I
toward
cannot
the
hear you
park
guys'
for the
voice.
concert.
Okay.
lu kalau nggak tahu
The band does play pretty good music.
Ini jangan sok-sokan pakai bahasa.
Yes, it does. For the last 3 years, I have never missed the concert. I have always arranged my schedule so that I could attend the event once the band was in town.
Terus lu pakai bahasa kedokteran tapi lu sendiri kagak ngerti buat apa?
Who's doing John? Sorry, guys, I cannot hear your voice. Okay, the background, I don't know. This background voice is that is even louder than your guys' voices.
Tahu kan?
Produksi sel darah merah yang kurang.
Okay, hold on, guys. I'm not sure whose voice is that. Okay, guys.
Lu apa?
Sorry, I cannot hear you. Sorry, guys. Sorry.
Orang diajarin jangan sok pintar.
Sorry, Miss. It look like from Felita.
Kamu belajar supaya ngerti,
Which one is that?
bukan supaya benar.
I don't know. Someone
Kamu
said,
Felita?
please to unmute him. Like
No,
either
I don't
not
see
me.
her
or
name here. Let me see. Okay, give me a second.
Cuma buat
See the
jawabannya
chat,
dia
Miss.
doang.
Read the chat.
What is under name?
Katanya hipertensi lu nggak tahu. Lu nggak tahu.
Oh, okay. Is it?
Suci, I mean.
Yang ada backgroundnya tolong dong.
Is it already?
Yep.
Already, Miss.
Done.
Because usually when there is sound, there's like green like that. It's gonna pop up the screen with the green, but I couldn't see it, okay, on my screen. So I'm not able to unmute it. So, okay, guys, sorry about that. Okay, let's start over. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
Miss.
because I couldn't hear anything. So I cannot like, you know, try to help you correct anything. Okay, guys. Okay, other than that, I'm gonna unmute you guys again, okay? Okay, give me 1 second. 1 sec.
Yes.
Okay, Mr.
Hello.
Amin, allow
Okay.
me, please.
Okay.
Right. There you
Oh,
go.
I stand
Give
by.
me a second. Let me recheck. Let me recheck. All right. All right. Okay, who's this? Nani. Nani, you are doing Jane, okay? Let me unmute you. Okay. Okay, let's do it, guys.
Hey, Jane, John, there is a musical concert in the park. You want to go see the band play?
I'm done with my homework. I can go.
Me too. Let's go.
Hey, look at that scorecard. Isn't it neat?
That is exactly the kind of car that I want once I get a good job. I bet it is very fast. I want mine to be red too.
Dreaming, Alex. The car costs a fortune.
It does not hurt to set high expectation. Maybe one day I will make a lot of money and I may surprise you. Hello.
John, who's doing John, number 2?
Me, miss.
Okay, go
Talking
ahead.
about cars, why is the traffic so heavy today?
People are probably heading toward the park for the concert. The band does play pretty good music.
Yes, it does. For the last 3 years, I have never missed the concert. I have always arranged my schedule so that I could attend the event once the band was in town.
How long? How long ago did the band start playing at our park?
I think it started this tradition 5 years ago before you move into our neighborhood. Every year, it always arrives the first week of June to play for the whole week.
Alex. Miss Fe. Oh, she's gone. Okay, Miss Fanny, I think, but she's not here anymore. Give me 1 second, okay? Yes, I don't see her. Alex, number 5. You will enjoy this evening, John. There will be good country music, a lot of stomping around, and definitely a lot of hollering.
It sounds like fun.
My favorite is rock and roll music. However, I have to state that country melodies can be quiet and enticing.
Yes.
I can listen to them all day long.
John, what kind of music do you like?
Oh, I like all kinds of music as long as it is not hard rock.
Jane?
Wow. Look at the number of people who have already shown up for the concert. Good thing that we are here already.
Okay, hold on, this is Felta. Felta, huh? Felta,
Yes, Miss.
go ahead.
Sorry, Miss.
No
Jen,
problem.
where do you want to sit? In the set or in the sun?
In the shade, please. I've been in the sun too much lately.
There is a food stand over there. Do you two want anything?
Nothing for me. Thanks. I already have my bottle of water.
I want a bag of cheese and a soda. Are you sure you do not want any chips, Jen?
I am quite sure. Besides, My mother is cooking a good steak dinner, and I want to save my appetite.
J number 9, Alex number 9. Okay, hold on, guys. Alex number 9 and 10. That's for Miss Suchi.
Jane, Jane, you are so lucky to have such a good cook for a mother. John, you have to taste her cream cakes one of these days. You cannot find better cream cakes anywhere in this town. I know we will have cream cake for dessert this evening. I will save you a piece if you want, John.
John number 7. Okay. Windy, huh? Was it windy? Windy. Was it you, John number 7, 8, 9?
Oh, I see. Okay, miss.
Sure.
I always love cake, so please save me a piece. Thanks, Jane.
How about you, Alex? A piece of cake for you too?
Alex number 10. Miss Suchi.
You know, I will say yes to a piece of your mother's cream cake any day.
Okay. I'll save you 2 pieces of cream cake for both of you tonight. We can meet at the cafeteria at lunchtime tomorrow, and I'll give them to you.
Alex, you better get your chips and soda now if you still want them. It is almost 3 p.m. and the concert is about to start.
For the last time, do you guys want anything?
James number 13.
I'm sure I do not want anything. Alex, I'm doing fine.
Me neither, Alex.
Okay, save me a seat. I will be right back.
All right, guys. Well, finally, we are doing great. Okay. Well, allow me to unmute you guys. Mute it you guys first. Okay. Give me one sec. So you guys can focus on one voice only. Just one moment. All right, there you go. All right, very good, guys. Let's do a review together. Okay, very good on the intonation. I'll give 85 out of 100, guys, for the intonation. Okay, a lot of improvement, huh? Keep it up. Especially I heard Mr. Amin. Okay, Mr. Amin, you're doing good. A lot of improvement on your intonation, as if like you are like doing it like in front of you. You're talking to somebody right in front of you. Okay. 2 thumbs up for you. Okay, very good. Okay. But overall, you guys are doing great. Okay. Just on Mr. Amin, I saw that a lot of improvement on the intonation there. Okay. You guys are doing great. Okay. Let's see. A lot of improvement there. Let's see. Alex. I'll have Alex, dialect number 3. All right, this is the word here. I might surprise you. Okay, this M-I-G-H-T. When you have a T on the back, that's the phonics of alphabet. T is like t, I might. So you have the t like that. Okay, because in English, there is like that's called phonical. So you have the how do I explain? Okay, there's a phonical phonic like that in the phonics in English. So you ABC, there's you're gonna when it's ending with the ABC, it's gonna phonics sound differently. Okay, so when you have a T on the back like that, it's a t, t. Okay, T sounds, the phonics is t like that. So I might surprise you. So the T is really hard there, okay? Not silent T, okay? It's hard T. I might surprise you, okay? So that word, okay? Remember that, guys, okay? And then I have another Alex, okay? Alex, dialogue number 4. Okay, remember this, guys. People are probably heading towards, toward, T-O-W-A-R-D, toward. Okay, you guys can repeat with yourself, okay? Toward, okay? Otherwise, you guys can check on the Google pronunciation how to pronounce that word. Heading toward, okay? Either toward or towards with the S, all right? Remember, toward. Next, I have Alex. Alex number 7. Alex, dialect number 7. In the shade, SH is gonna sound like that. So in the shade or in the sun. Okay, see the difference when with the S without H. S without H with the and that S with the H. In the shade or in the sun. Okay, you guys can hear the difference, right? Okay, it same like shy, okay, shadow, okay, the SH is gonna sound like that, all right? Next, I'll have Jane. Jane's dialogue number 9. I want to say my appetite, okay, appetite, okay, appetite. That's how we pronounce that word. Next, I have Alex number 9. John, you have to taste her cream cakes one of these days. Okay, the word taste. Okay, pronounce that as taste. Okay. All right, that's it. Okay, let's see. So we're still a couple still the same. Okay, remember that, guys. Okay, this is from the beginning, the first week when doing this. The words still, you guys still miss the words is the towards. Okay, heading toward. Okay, so keep on practicing your tongue like that so you guys can remember that. Heading toward. Okay, and then another word is then toward it shade, okay. That's the other two that another one is the appetite. Okay, those 3 words. Okay, since when we started learning this chapter, okay, those the 3 words that I see every week. So you need more often. Okay, so I need you guys to practice that. Okay, shade, toward, and then appetite. Okay, easy, right? Just keep on repeating it. If otherwise, just go to what is that? The Google pronunciation. Okay, guys, Google pronunciation for the American English. Okay. All right, guys. Very good. Then let's continue with our grammar lesson. So we already finished all the discussion, all those regarding the conversation thing, okay? You guys already understanding the conversation very good. They be able to answer all this already. And then this week we continue with the grammar review about pronouns, okay? So let me share another one. All right, this. So this is, okay. This is chapter 4, okay, guys. Chapter 4, the grammar is about pronouns, okay. Jadi tata bahasa yang kita pelajari di bab keempat ini adalah tentang kata ganti ya, kata ganti benda ya, pronouns, okay. So last week we already answered half of this first exercise. Pretty good, you guys really understand how to use the subject and object pronouns already. Okay, let's continue with the rest of the questions. Okay, so this first chapter, we are already provided with the optional that's showing in the brackets, okay, guys? So you can just pick one of the option in the brackets to fill in the blanks. All right, let's do number 13. Blah, 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 think he should stay faithful to the person, blah, 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 believed the most. All right, let's do this. This is gonna make you guys use the right pronouns, you know. So when you are doing the conversation like that, you're not just like mixing all the words, but you are saying the right with the right grammars also. Okay, guys, let's see. Let's see. Everybody already. This I see Miss Fanny. All right, there she is. Okay, she's back. So guys, I'm gonna have Miss Fanny answer number 13 first, okay? Because she didn't get to do the dialect. All right, so Miss Fanny, we missed you earlier, okay?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, so let's start this exercise from you. Number 13, please.
I think he should stay faithful to the person he believes the most.
All right, very well. All right, so this is gonna be I think he should stay faithful to the person. He, another he, huh? Because we're talking here is talking about. Okay. Very well.
Thank you, Miss.
Good job, Miss Fanny.
Thank you.
You are very welcome. All right, let's continue with number 14. Blah, blah, blah. All are my good friends. Okay, let's see. I'll have Miss Hartati. Let's Hartati doing number. Okay, let's try number 14, please.
They all are my good friends.
Very good.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Okay, wow, you guys doing great. All right, today is awesome. And blah, 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 think, blah, 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 should go out for a long drive. Oh, okay, guys. Okay. Here we missed this. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, let me just, well, let's try if you guys can put the right pronouns for that, okay? Because I forgot to put the optional answer here. Let's try to test yourself if you can just put the right pronouns there, okay? I'll have Shirley try that, okay? Shirley, number 15, please.
Okay, Miss. Today is awesome, and I think you should go out for a long drive.
Okay, this right here, today is awesome.
Oh, today is awesome.
Yes. And then your answer is, and I think.
And I think you should go out for a long drive.
Okay, you should go out for a night. Okay. Yes, you may use the you should go out for a long drive. Okay, so you can use either you or we can use we also. Okay, we should go out for a long drive. Okay, so both of them we can use it. Okay,
Okay, Miss.
very good. Okay, Shirley, remember today is awesome. Okay,
Yes, Miss. Awesome.
awesome is like today is a good day, like that. Okay, the same thing, but it's awesome is like more than good, like that. It's very, very exciting about that. Okay, very well.
Okay,
Thank you, Shirley.
thank you.
All right, see, you guys can do it, huh? Number 16, blah, blah, blah is a social worker, and blah, blah, blah responsibilities are also for the society. Okay. This is the wrong one. Hold on, guys, hold on. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, number 16. All right, social worker, guys. Social worker is a person who's doing for the society, like okay, let's say for the orphanage, like that. Okay, jadi itu pekerja sosial itu seperti ini ya, kalau yang di Amerika itu mereka itu yang menangani orang-orang yang terlantar seperti anak-anak yatim piatu ya. Anak yatim piatu itu ditempatkan di keluarga-keluarga ya. Nah, kemudian keluarganya itu meskipun dia sudah ditempatkan di keluarga, tapi social worker ini tetap mengawasi anak itu. And then another thing that they're doing is also for the health thing. Oke, jadi social worker juga selain itu dia juga menangani misalnya untuk terkait dengan yang bagian kesehatan ya, untuk to claim all the medical care. Oke, jadi untuk segala sesuatu yang terkait dengan asuransi kesehatan yang ditanggung oleh pemerintah itu dibantu oleh social worker ini. Okay, that's some of their job like that. Jadi bukan social worker the volunteer, they get paid by the government. All right, let's have Ernie. Ernie, would you like to try number 16?
Yes, Miss.
Number 16, please.
She is a social worker and her responsibilities are also for the society.
Very well. All right, let me write it first. Okay. She. Okay, and her responsibility are also for this society. Very good. Thank you, Ernie.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, let me highlight it so you guys can pay attention to this when you guys review on your own. But if blah 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 win the tournament, then definitely blah 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 will get a prize. All right, so let's go back to the top. Anybody would like to try? I'll have Uni try number 17.
If you win the tournament, then definitely you will get a prize.
Yes. If you win the tournament, then definitely you will get a prize. Get a prize. Very good. Okay, thank you, Uni.
Thank you, Miss Susan.
Next, I'll have Nalita doing answer number 18. A conflict between blah 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 and me is the position for the position of the captain of blah 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 team.
Yes, Miss.
Number 18, Nalita.
A conflict between them and me is for the position of the captain of their team.
All right. Between, okay. Now position of the captain of the team. Remember, when you have a captain, how many captain do you need? Only one, right?
Yes.
So one right here. So in between is usually in between two people only. Okay, when you have between like this. So a conflict between him and me. Yes, yes. So them is more than one person already, right? So if it's like that, then it's not a thing. Okay, so you just need another person with you. Okay, that's between.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, it's for the position of the captain of
our team.
Our team. Very good. Okay, remember, most of the time the between is for two option like that. Okay, you want to go, you pick between Joe Biden or Donald Trump. Okay, between. Okay, two things like that. Okay.
Yeah, Miss.
Thank you, Nalita.
Thank you.
Him and me's position of our team. Okay, let's continue with number 19. Can blah 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 tell me where I can find a KFC in blah 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 city? I'll have Nani try number 19.
Can you tell me where I can find a KFC in city?
In this city, yes, very good. Okay, can you tell me where I can find a KFC in this city? Okay, good use of pronounce. Okay, thank you, Nani.
Thank you.
Number 20, blah, 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 soldier wants to work for their nation and die for their nation. Okay. Hold on, because this is two here. All right, I'll have Mr. Amin try number 20, please.
Every soldier wants to work for their nation and die for their nation.
Okay. But this, their
nation.
nation.
Their nation.
Yes.
And die
Okay.
for their nation.
but the R is hard. Okay, so you're gonna hard when I say silent and hard like that. Silent, you don't hear the alphabet being said. It's like blended in like that. Once I say it's hard R, then the R has to be like clearly heard. Okay, for there, the R, you can hear the R. Their nation. Okay,
Nation.
very good, Mr. Amin.
Thank you,
Good
Miss.
job on your intonation.
Okay.
Keep up the good job, okay? All right, let's continue with exercise number 2, guys. Okay, fill in the blank with the word I, me, we, or us. I'll have Miss Fu for number 1.
Miss. Okay, Miss.
Number 1, please.
Yes. Did you ask David or me?
Okay. Or me. Did you ask David or me? Okay. Because it's an object there. Okay. Very good.
Thank you,
So
Miss.
don't have the doubts. Okay. Did you ask David or I? That's totally wrong. Okay. Because me is here is like as an object. Okay. Very good. Next, number 2. Sachin and blah, blah, blah went to the railroad station. Windy.
Sachin and I went to the railway station.
All right, very good. So right here, the I, we use I because that's Sachin and I, possession is a subject of the sentence, okay? So that's why we use I instead of me, okay? Very good, Windy. Okay, let's continue with number 3. Will you let John and blah, blah, blah go to the cinema? I'll have Brandon. Try number 3. Okay. Brandon, are you here? I'll skip it to Linda first. Linda, let's try number 3.
Will you let John and I go to the cinema?
Okay, check it out. Will you? Okay, this is a question, okay? So when you change this into a positive sentence, the sentence is going to change to you will let John and me. Okay, so the you is the subject. Okay, John and me is the object. Okay, so the subject is you and the verb is the verb is let, right? And then who's the object? Let who? Okay, John and me. Okay, do you understand, Linda?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so let's see the possession. Okay, who's doing the verb? Doing the verb is you. Okay, so John and me is gonna be automatically the subject. So you're gonna use, try again, Linda.
Will you let John and me go to the cinema?
All right, very good. Okay, thank you, Linda.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, let's continue with number 4. Mother gave blah, blah, blah more mangoes than she gave to Anthony and Rosie. Let's see if Brandon is here.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, let's try number 4, please.
Okay. Mother gave us more mangoes than she gave to Anthony and Rosie.
All right, very good. Clearly, okay. Mother is the subject, verb is the gift. Okay, so obviously as object. Okay, very good.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, continue with number 5. Okay. Okay, there's no option again. Blah, blah, blah are going to the part. Okay, let's try if you guys can do this. Wiryani. Okay.
We are going to the park.
Okay. We are going to the park. Very easy, right? Okay, very good. Thank you, Miss
Thank you, ma'am.
Wiryani. Okay, because that's the to be is are here. So the to be are is only gonna be using either you or we, right, guys? So you are going to the park. That sounds so obvious. Okay, so we are doing the we. Sit her between Rosie and blah blah blah. Okay, let's have Miss Suchi try number 6.
Yes, miss. Sit her between Rosie and I.
Sorry. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Sit her. Sit her means the subject here is you. Okay. That's what do you call the that's a sentence that's tell you to do something. Okay. I forgot the name. Okay. So you sit her means like you put her in between Rosie and me. Okay, on me, because it's a object. Okay, let me write it here so maybe it's more clearly to you guys. Okay, so this sentence actually, okay, it's gonna be like this because he's telling you guys to do, so you don't say the you. Okay, you sit her. Okay, means you put her to a seat. Okay, kamu dudukkan dia. No, you sit down. Kamu duduk. No, like that. Sit her between Rosie and me. Mean in bahasa Indonesia itu dudukkan dia di antara saya, Rosie dan saya. Dalam bahasa Indonesianya begitu. Now, when you say that kind of sentence, obviously you're gonna tell somebody, hey, you sit her between blah blah blah. Okay, so now the subject is gonna be you right here. Okay, and then sit is gonna be the verb. Okay, sit is gonna be the verb. Okay, so that's so the Rosie is gonna be yes object there. Okay, Rosie and me like that. Okay, so let's see, like earlier we have this. Hold on, give me 1 second. This, so let's see. Look at this number 18 right here. Okay, a conflict between him and me. Okay, so when you use the between, if it's an I for I, is you're gonna use me. Okay, like that. Okay, that's called. Give me 1 second. Okay, we have the explanation here, guys. Okay, that's okay, that's interrogative. Okay, sentence earlier. That's a, sit her between. Okay, kata perintah dalam bahasa Indonesianya ya. Oh no, it's interrogative. It's dalam bahasa Indonesianya kata perintah ya itu ya. Give me 1 second. Let me see what kind of here. Object pronouns. It's an object pronouns here. Possessive. Look, this is an object pronouns. Number 2. Okay, the second kinds of pronouns. Okay, look at this. Okay, so who is the object of the verb? Okay, then we're gonna use those. Okay, when there's object, me is the object of a preposition too, and then also the object of the verb. Okay, the same thing like the question that we have right there.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna use me instead of I because it's an object. It's not the subject who's doing the verb.
Okay.
Jadi bukan kalau I itu digunakan bila dia itu sebagai pelaku yang melakukan kata kerja tersebut. Oke. Nah, di sini dia bukan dia yang melakukan, tapi dia yang sebagai objek. Oke. Jadi you is the subject here. That's because ini you don't see here you, then it's a me. Okay. First you're gonna see the between, the word between, and then second it's gonna be the object of the verb. So we're gonna use you instead of me.
Yeah.
Okay, Miss Suchi.
Yes, Miss. Thank you,
Okay.
Miss.
A little bit that's just need practice, and then sooner or later you guys can like have the common sense of this. Okay, thank you. All right, look, this is gonna be a better explanation and like a better understanding when you have this number 6 and 7 comparison. Okay, number 7. My sister and blah 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 had a nice dinner. All right, I want to have Ilman try number 7.
My sister and I had a nice dinner.
Very good. Okay, check this out, guys. Now, must I here is the subject who is doing the verb had. Okay, so that's why we use I instead of me. Karena di sini I ini adalah orang subjek yang melakukan kata kerjanya. Kata kerja di dalam kalimat ini adalah had. Okay, had, past tense of have. Okay, when you eat dinner, it's the proper way. You don't say I eat dinner. No, you say I have my dinner, I have my breakfast. Okay, that's the proper word for those dinner, lunch, whatever. Okay, so this is the right answer is I. Very good, Ilman.
Thank you.
Next, number 8. Okay, remember that. Okay, between you and blah blah blah, it is not true. I'll have Miss Hartati try number 8.
Between you and me, it is not true.
Okay, very good. So remember, when you have
Thank
the me, I mean the word me, then that's the word between, sorry, the word between, I is gonna turn into me, okay guys? Next week, I'm gonna try to find that article about that. Okay, so I have a better explanation to you guys, okay? I'll remind myself about that, okay guys? All right, guys, so that's the end of exercise 3, huh? We still have lots to practice, okay guys? But please spare a little bit of your time in the next couple days, so try to practice and then answer on your own to test yourself how much you guys understand about these pronouns, okay guys? Okay, this is exercise 3 here, okay? So try yourself at home and then check your answer with us on the following week, okay guys? All right guys, it's 8 o'clock now. Okay, I have to end the class. Thank you for joining and learning together with me tonight, guys. Okay, hopefully help you guys with your conversation, okay guys, and grammar also. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. Okay,
Thank you,
have a nice
Thank you,
evening.
Miss.
Miss.
Next week.
And stay healthy.
Thank you all.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Good night.
Bye, guys.